Hi everyone and welcome to Magic in Minutes, where we share great tasting recipes made with easily available ingredients in your household. I'm Shubita and today's recipe is a Mughlai dish, a chicken korma. Sounds good? So let's begin. The first step is to marinate the chicken with a little curd and a magic ingredient. First add the curd and then the crumbled Maggi Magic chicken cubes. Mix well. Add the chicken pieces now to the curd mixture. So mix the chicken pieces well with the curd and the magic cubes. So after mixing it well, we will now keep it aside for 30 minutes. So this korma is prepared using premium and aromatic spices. So let's get started with the gravy now. To a karai, add some ghee. So when the ghee turns nice and hot, add the bay leaves first, a cinnamon stick, a few cloves, small cardamoms and temper. Now add sliced onions. Fry the onions along with the whole spices till they turn golden brown. Add ginger and garlic paste to it and a few slit green chilies. Stir for a minute. Now add some more spices to it. Some haldi powder, red chili powder and dhania powder. Fry again for another minute and then after a minute we will turn off the flame and will now allow the mixture to cool down. The masala has cooled down and I'm going to add it to a mixie grinder now along with a few cashew nuts and a little water. Now we shall grind it. Okay, so now let's check. I'm getting a lovely aroma and the paste is also well blended. And now I'm going to add the paste to the same karai which I had used earlier, and we shall cook the mixture again till the oil separates and comes on top. So the masala is almost done. I'm adding the chicken to it now. Now stir it and cook till the chicken is tender and done. As you can see, the texture of the gravy is smooth and creamy. You can also substitute chicken with potatoes, paneer or mutton. The chicken is tender and cooked, the gravy has thickened nicely and the korma is now ready to be plated and served. Garnish the korma with chopped dhania patta and serve with hot rumali rotis, naan, paratha or even some pulao. The chicken korma is ready and you can prepare this dish for any celebrations in the family. Do remember to like and share our video and subscribe to our channel.